National Kitchen and Bath Association has organized a day trip to Temecula Wine Country. Guess what? You're coming with me. It's titled From Water to Wine. It's organized by National Kitchen and Bath Organization, Middleby Residential, Waterstone Faucets, and Cambria Surfaces. I arrived here at the Middleby Residential showroom. We are going to have light breakfast, then we will continue our tour to Temecula. Our first stop was at Irvine at Middleby Residential, where we were greeted by the showroom manager Nicole Cooper and her staff members. Middleby showroom is a very high-end showroom in Irvine, and they carry all the high-end appliances. Here they have set up a beautiful parfait, yogurt parfait bar, and also mimosa bar. As we walked in, we were offered mimosas and coffee. I'm here with Nicole at the Middleby Residential showroom, and she's going to introduce us to the showroom and tell us what they do here and what kind of appliances they have. Good morning, Nicole.
Good morning. Thank you so much for visiting us today. It's so nice to have you here.
Nice to have you here too.
Thank you.
I'm so excited about this tour. It's going to be such an interesting tour, going to Temecula and visiting the
and KPA does some amazing things, amazing activities, and the whole idea is really to be able to bring all of our different partners together, but also give you some opportunity to experience behind the scenes at places. So today, you're here at Middleby Residential. Later today, you're going to be at the Waterstone factory in Murrieta, and they have one of the most fantastic operations of fabricating the most elegant and lovely faucets. And then you're going to go wine tasting over at Miramonte. So,
and tell us about the showroom too. This is a beautiful showroom. I'm excited to be here, and I would like to know the appliances that you carry. I can see here you have La Cornue, Viking, Marvell. You have all the high-end appliances. Tell us about
this is a 6,500 square foot showroom. We're owned by Middleby Residential, and Middleby owns all the brands that are in here. This space is strictly for experience and for teaching, and we showcase La Cornue, like you mentioned, Viking, Evo, Aga, Lynx, Marvell, and Uline. And if I'm missing somebody, it's probably because I put it out of order. But 6,500 square feet of space, and we are able to showcase just about all of our amazing products here. We have product experts, we have our in-house chefs. All of us are here to be able to make sure to educate, inspire, and be a fantastic partner for you in your process of selecting product, learning about product, but also for the dealers and designers that are out there too. Because at the end of the day, you need to have a great partnership, a good resource pool in order for your clients to understand what they're purchasing, know how they're cooking, and what's going to be the right appliances for them, and then they would go purchase at a dealer. So we don't sell anything here.
Besides being a showroom, they are an experience center, so you can come and experience their appliances, right?
That's correct, yes.
Their cooking experience.
Yes, we're going to have cooking experiences as well. Currently, we are open for appointments when people come through to select product and learn about product. We are coming out with some cooking classes, so you can look forward to that in 2023. So maybe follow us on Instagram, and then you'll be able to see what's going on there. It's going to be at Middleby, MIDDLEBY _SoCal. And that's going to be the best way to find out what's going on with us through that site.
Thank you, Nicole. This is such a great experience, and I'm looking forward to today's adventure.
Yes.
Thank you so
much.
Lovely. Thanks for having me. Designers were gradually walking in and they were getting acquainted with each other. I love the idea of a yogurt parfait bar, and we all know how beneficial it is. It has all the health benefits of yogurt, the fruits, and the honey. So it's very healthy breakfast choice, and I'm making a parfait for myself. Cheers, you guys. We're having a parfait. Here and we are excited. We're going to go to Temecula together. We're so excited. Also, we are going to visit the faucet showroom. What do you have to say, Cindy?
I'm super excited to be here, and the name of the event is From Water to Wine. So I'm expecting great things happening and lots of learning. So yeah, this is pretty exciting for everybody.
Well done. Yes, she's well done. Thank you.
Middleby chefs are cooking breakfast here at the outdoor kitchen for the group. And this is the outdoor kitchen for the Middleby Residential Showroom. And they are serving breakfast for our group. The chefs are cooking and serving the breakfast. Isn't this fun? So much fun.
Thank you so much.
I would love bacon and egg and everything delicious.
Cheese?
Right. Sure, I would love cheese.
Sausage as well?
Sure, why not?
All right, I'm fully loaded.
With the whole pig and shit.
The egg roll done? Can you do scramble?
Yeah.
No, you cannot do scramble. I can.
Probably want to do that one.
Try, I don't know.
That's good. We got exceptional hospitality at Middleby Residential, and after our breakfast, the bus was waiting for us. We had a limousine bus, and it's going to take us to Murrieta Waterstone Company for a tour. This is going to be an educational tour, and I'm excited about it. And we'll see you in Temecula. We will end part 1 of our episode here, and we will see you in part 2 in Temecula. And this is our limousine bus, and we're going to board it, and we'll see you in Temecula. See you in part 2 of this episode. Have a wonderful day, wonderful week, and wonderful life. Bye-bye. Thanks for joining me here today at Margaret LALIK'S kitchen. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Also share it with your friends and hit that like button.